Welcome. We got some bread. We're going to lay our 4 pieces of bread down. There's only 2 of us here. So we're going to add our homemade pizza sauce. If you could see, it was hard to open. Now we're going to start out with some cheese. After we put our sauce on, now you can add anything that you've got in your refrigerator to this because it's easy to cook and it's only going to take 8 minutes to cook at 350. You're just going to heat and eat is what it's going to be. But if you got leftovers, you can add anything you want, like peppers, onions, cheese, hamburger, any kind of meat, whatever you choose to. Now we got our Fiesta cheese. Now we've got pizza cheese. Now we got our leftover hamburger from taco night. Okay, all four of them now is getting pizza cheese on top. After washing my hands, now they're going to get the pizza cheese. Now you're going to heat your oven up. And now we got a can of raviolis. Going to heat them up. Okay, now they're hot. We're going to turn it down on low. And then we're going to add some pizza cheese to make it taste like an easy lasagna. Stir the pot. Okay, now we've got our 2 pieces of pizza and our raviolis with cheese. You got to try this. It's good. And the little miniature pizzas was good too. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all try this. Best home cooking on YouTube. That's Ronnie's plate. There's my plate. And thank you.